Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Perfect Forex, and today I'll be showing you guys a quick modification to the strategy I dropped earlier on catching spikes. Quickly, I don't want to make this video lengthy. I just want to show you guys a quick modification to that strategy. I discovered that strategy actually enables you catch a few spikes per time. Catch a few spikes per time, just one or two per time. But this strategy actually, this modification will be showing you guys how you can ride the trend, how you can ride the trend in the spike direction until price is about to reverse, until the market is about to reverse. So you'll be able to catch more spikes than normal, than the previous strategy I gave. You'll be able to catch more spikes than the previous strategy I gave. So guys, how do you work with this modification? This modification only entails two things: market structure and trend line. Market structure and trend lines. The indicators I gave earlier in the previous video still applies to this, only that I just added the envelopes, which still signifies the support and resistance level. That is, the red horizontal line signifies my support level, and the green horizontal line signifies my resistance level. So guys, quickly, as I said earlier, I don't want to make this video lengthy. This is just a modification of the previous strategy. Now, what do you need to do? First of all, you need to identify the trend of the market. You need to identify the movement of the market by using your trend lines, by placing your trend lines well. If you don't really know how to place your trend lines, you can check my previous video on how I explained how you can use trend lines. Just a few videos before this one, I explained how you can actually set your trend lines. As you can see, my trend lines are set. My trend lines are set. Now, what do you need to do? You need to wait until the market, for that is for crash 1000, until the market buys, till the market buys to when? To this point, this upper trend line, that is for crash 1000 and crash 500. First of all, what you need to do is identify the direction of the market by using your trend lines, and then wait for the market to buy up until this point. I said earlier that you don't just go about hunting for spikes, else you will blow your account. You don't just go about hunting for spike. You need a good confirmation, a good reason to enter the market to catch spikes. Now, what you need to do is you come to your 15 minutes time frame. You don't exceed the 15 minutes time frame. In my subsequent videos, I'll be showing you guys how you can analyze the market from the higher time frame down to the smaller time frame for entry. But for the sake of this strategy and for the sake of this video, we won't be exceeding the 15 minutes time frame. Now, what you need to do is you wait for the price that is on crash 1000 and crash 500 to buy up until this upper trend line, up until price gets to this upper trend line. You wait for the market to buy to that point. Once the market has bought to that point, what you need to do is you go to your 1 minute time frame. Remember, I said we are not discarding the indicators we used earlier, I gave earlier in the previous video. We are not discarding them. It is just a modification. Now, what you need to do is quickly go to your 1 minute time frame and wait for this indicator to touch this upper resistance level. If the indicator is touching the upper resistance level, and as you can, and you've confirmed that on the 15 minute price is at this level, what you need to do is you enter for a sell. Also, what I've discovered is that most newbies don't really like trading their live account with huge capitals. So I'll be showing you guys how you can slash the lot size you'll be using, so that even with your small account, even as small as $10 and $20 account, you'll be able to stay in the market comfortably without fear. Even if spikes, or even if the market is going against you, you'll be able to stay in the market comfortably. If you are to catch 5 candles and then a spike occurred and caught you, you won't be scared. Even with your $10 account, you'll be able to stay in the market comfortably. until it comes to your direction. Now, but before then, let me just quickly show you how this strategy works. You just wait for the market to buy to this upper trend line. Once it has gotten there, you then quickly go to your 1 minute time frame and ensure that this indicator, that is this alligator, is touching this upper resistance, this upper resistance level, that is the 90 and this green horizontal line. Once the market is there and on the 15-minute price is at the upper trend line, just enter for a sell. So also for boom 1000. The reverse is the case for boom 1000. Once you enter the market after marking out your point with your trend lines and you discover that the market has sold to the lower trend line, what you need to do is you wait for the alligator on the 1 minute, wait for the alligator to touch this resistance level, and then you enter, this resistance level, this support level down here, that is for boom 1000, and then you enter for a buy, and then you ride the market until the market comes back to this upper trend line, that is for boom 1000. Because now boom 1000, I don't really want to go there, because if I go there I will start explaining and I don't want this video to be too lengthy. For boom 1000, you know the market sells, so once it has gotten to the trend line below, you enter for a buy. Once on the 1 minute the alligator is showing that it is touching the resistance level, enter for a buy until the market buys till this upper level for boom 1000. And for crash 1000, once the market has touched this upper trend line and the indicator, that is the alligator on the 1 minute, is also touching the resistance level, that is the 90 level, and also the green horizontal level, you enter for a sell for crash 1000 and crash 500, boom 1000 and boom 500. It works for all those commodities. Now, how do you slash your lot size? Quickly, I don't want to make this video lengthy, as I said earlier, just something short and straightforward. Now, how do you slash your lot size? What you need to do, guys, is that for boom 1000 or boom 500 or crash 1000 and crash 500, what you need to do is you just click on this on the upper right corner, as though you want to buy or you want to enter a trade, and then you just wait. Now, what you need to do is you can use a lot size as low as 0.09, 0.08, 0.07 down to 0.01 with what I'll be showing you guys. It is called lot size slashing your lot size. Now, what you need to do, if you want to open a trade of 0.09, remember I said earlier that even with your $10 account you can stay in the market comfortably if you slash the lot size. Now, what you need to do is you just open a trade of 0.29. if you want to open a position of 0.09, open a trade of 0.29, that is a buy. As you can see here, it is displaying here, and then you go as though you want to close the trade, and then you delete this 2. You delete the 2 in front of the 9, and then you close the trade. And as you can see, guys, look at, market is indicating 0.09. If you want to do that for 0.08 also, you just edit it to 0.08 or 0.05 or 0.02, any one you want, any figure you want, and then you just get 0.05 buy, and then you just quickly come to this point as though you want to close the trade, and then you delete the 2 in front of the 5. You do what? Delete the 2 in front of the 5 like this, and then, guys, your lot size will be slashed, and with your $10 account you can stay in the market comfortably. So, guys, this is just the modification to the strategy I dropped earlier, my battery will be going off soon, and I don't want that to happen. So guys, just do what to use this strategy, and I trust it is going to work fine for you. You are going to ride the market until there is about to be a change in the trend. You are going to catch as many spikes as possible. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Until I come your way again, this is Perfect Forex. Do have a great day, and God bless.